My name is Dr. Rina Jain. I am an orthopedic surgeon with Synergy Orthopedic Medical Group. I moved to San Diego around at the end of 2002. I concentrate mostly on hip and knee replacements. If somebody has really severe arthritis of the hip or the knee, is having a really hard time with walking, that person may be a candidate for a joint replacement. That enables someone to get back into life and get moving again. My office is located in Kearny Mesa. We offer a full range of orthopedic services. Even though we focus on hip and knee replacement, we do see patients who have other bone and joint problems. For example, we do see patients with sports injuries, shoulder problems, hand problems, and foot problems. We also see patients under workers' compensation insurance, and we do medical legal evaluations. For more information, please go to our website, synergyorthopedic.com.